Hey guys, it is nearly bedtime and I am just about out of my sleepy time roller, so I thought I would show you how to make it. First, we're gonna need lavender, 10 drops of this. This is easily customized based on your own needs or child's needs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like my daughter, my youngest daughter, lavender does not help her. It ironically seems to hype her up. So her roller is just cedarwood actually. Next up is 10 drops of Peace and Calming. I've been out of Peace and Calming before, and I have replaced it with Stress Away instead. It still works just fine, at least for me. Okay, come on. Am I that close to being out? Oh, maybe I am. I guess I'll just remove the cap thingy. I'm running out of a few of these oils, so we shall see. Yeah, we'll call that maybe a little bit more. Yeah, we'll call that 10 drops. As you can see, this isn't exactly an exact science. All right, next up is Valor. I'm almost out of this one as well. We're gonna do 10 drops Valor, or about 10 drops. Let's see, is this gonna go? It's not gonna go, so it's gonna lose its top as well. Well, I guess I know what I should be putting on an order. Whoa, okay, yeah, that's about 10. There was a little bit more in there than there was in Peace and Calming. All right, and then next up is Cedarwood. This calls for just another 10 drops. Kids could do just 5. But yeah, this is what the recipe I have calls for. 2, come on, wow, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's do a little bit more because I like how cedarwood seems to calm my mind down at night, which is super helpful with how often I am waking up lately to feed my son. And then after that, I just top it off with some fractionated coconut oil. Put the roller cap back on. And we are good to go. If you are interested in trying this roller or a few others, message me and I will hook you up, all right? I'm also offering up my 4 or 5 other favorite rollers. Go check out that post. It's fairly recent, maybe 3 or 4 posts ago. But yeah, check it out. If you're interested, message me and I'll hook you up. See you guys later.